Now we're looking at questions 16 and 17 for the quiz. Essentially what you're going to be given here is you're going to be given a graph just like this, and then you're going to be given some answer choices. So notice we have our answer choices, we don't know which one it is, and we have our graph. So how I want you to go about answering this is make sure you have Desmos up. So I'm going to have my Desmos up, and I actually already did some work ahead of time. Again, just have my calculator. I actually already went ahead and put in all of the answers that were there. Now I'm just going to check which one lines up, which one is the same graph as this right here. Okay, which one is the same graph as this right here. So I'm looking for a graph that starts here and then it kind of goes down and drops off. It looks like the asymptote, if you follow it, is at a positive 1 right there. It's at a positive 1. So let's take a look at some of these graphs. Let's look at the first one here. Notice the graph in the blue, how it starts up top and it grows, it decays down and kind of levels off at -1 or at positive 1 there. So notice, does that graph look just like that graph? And you can see they are not similar at all. So the graph is not the same thing. That graph is going down. It's starting from the top and going down and leveling off, and that graph right there is not doing that. So that answer is incorrect. Let's look at this answer. Okay, this answer, does this look just like this graph? And hopefully you're saying no, it's not. I guess let me see if I can do this right here. There we go. Let's see if I can. Okay. So notice, does that graph look like that one? And no, it does not. That one is growing, or is starting level and then going down, and this one is going up actually. Again, you read graphs from left to right. So from left to right, this graph is going up and leveling off. So that one would not be correct. So number 3 here. Okay, this graph. One goes up here. Slight malfunction. All right. You can kind of see this graph is not similar to this one. This one starts level and goes up. Notice this one starts level and goes down. So not the same kind of graphs there. Those are not the same kind of graphs. So that one does not meet either. And I did this on purpose. I made the last answer the correct answer because you can see, okay, this graph starts level and then goes down. If we go to our graph here, hey, this graph starts level and goes down. So that would be the same graph there. And notice our asymptote on our question is at a positive 1. And notice our asymptote here is at a positive 1. That's 1 right there. And you can see how it kind of levels off at that 1 mark right there. So that graph and that graph are the exact same thing. So what's our answer? Well, it says -5, parentheses 2 raised to the x plus 1. So we go find our answer. Yeah, I don't know why it keeps doing that, but so -2 parentheses, or I'm sorry, -5 parentheses 2 raised to the x plus 1, and that is answer choice A right there. Again, I put them in, oh no, that is not, that's answer choice B. B is the correct answer there. So again, all I did was I typed in all the answers in the Desmos, and I figured out which one was the same as this graph right here. The graphs should line up. They should be identical. You should do that for numbers 16 and 17 on the quiz. Hopefully that helped, and I hope you do really well on the quiz.